Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Upland in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With black headlamp bezel finish, gloss black exterior accents, 20-inch gloss black painted aluminum wheels, gloss black roof rails, black lens tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 17,182 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, park view rear backup camera, dual zone automatic temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, front and rear interior LED lamps, security and convenience group, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5363.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.